Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen Apple from My Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Hey guys, nearly Christmas 2022, and we're certainly looking forward to it. I hope you are also, and you are preparing to celebrate the meaning of Christmas with your loved ones. Anyway, today it's all about investing in crypto. I've invested in companies. They are perfect example of what investing is with company stocks and shares. But now we've got crypto, and it's nothing new. I'm just adding my few pointers into it. And of course, right now crypto it is down. Okay, let's go into the major king of cryptocurrency. And as we can see, this is just today's trading. Bitcoin is down. Now, if we follow the chart, that was 1 day's trading. Now we're going to go say 5 days. It's It has gone up in the 5 days, but that little dip shows for today's trading. And of course, today is Saturday, the 3rd of December, 2022. And if we say 6 months, 1 year, or yesterday, sort of 1 year, 5 years, and of course, maximum. That tells us a huge picture. Okay, it's telling us cryptocurrency price is down. How far it's going to continue to go down, I can't speculate or predict that. All I can say is it is one of those times we can purchase cryptocurrencies while they're low and prepare for this thing called rebound. Now, they probably call this one is another name. It's called the bear market. And of course, as we prepare for the bull market, we call it also rebound. Why? It's just the common terms that we use as traders and investors to explain how a market can easily recover or go back up again. But in fact, in this particular case, cryptocurrencies is down, and that is good for buying. That is not my general teaching. That's just the secrets of it. Think about it. Do you want to buy the crypto or any product at the low price, or do you want to buy it at the highest price? I hope you're not a foolish one to buy things at the highest price. And all things considered, all human beings are looking for bargains to buy things at a cheap. And at this point of time, of course, cryptocurrencies is down. It's time to start buying. If we have a look at Ethereum, it has the same effect. If we go to maximum, it has the same effect. It's down. Like I said, and I warn, I don't know how far these cryptos going to fall in price, but I can say if you put, say, $100 in today, maybe next week or next month you put another $100. If the crypto world continues to drop its value, it is good for us who are looking for something good to invest in. Cryptocurrencies is here to stay. I don't think anything can destroy it except for the fact pump your bank account with as much Bitcoin as you can or cryptocurrencies. As you can see, I'm giving you the example of the chart. Charts, once again, tells you what the asset is and where it could be going into the future. Of course, it's only history, but trust me, history sometimes can repeat itself. Okay, that isn't guidance. It's not gospel, but it is a guidance to where it could be going in the future. So instead of working in the dark, you got some sort of data like what we have here in front of you to give you an idea with which any asset, it doesn't have to be crypto, when any assets, it's going to go back up. And you want to take advantage of, especially when it's low. Okay, now that's some simple education. The most important thing I can point out is investing. We need to learn, or you need to learn to invest. Investing is taking some of your income and putting it in an area that's going to grow. You might not be successful at, say, picking your first successful investment in the early stages, but I tell you what, once you start, you'll be surprised how much you can learn. And of course, investing means long term. You don't buy anything today and will grow into something huge tomorrow. Just like an apple tree takes a few years before it can mature to produce fruits. You got to have that sort of sustainable sort of attitude and faith to understand. When you buy, say, cryptocurrency, you're buying it for long term. Don't worry about day-to-day fluctuation because everything in life fluctuates. Now let's go back to Google Finance. Google Finance is one of my best analytical processes to go into. It helps. It tells me something. So let's say we take currency, for example. Currency, come on, currency. And we look at, say, USD to Japanese Forex. Forex mean two different coins. We'll see it fluctuates. We need these fluctuation. Fluctuation helps us make money. Without fluctuation in these market volatility, nobody makes money. And that needs to be adhered to, that you learn how to make money with this process. Now, again, I'm going to give it a bit of lesson. That's not the best chart, so let's have a look at another chart to see if we can give you a better picture. And of course, here's a good one. Now, taking euro against the US dollar in the middle of, say, 2021 to where it is today, it was pretty high. Then it dropped, as you can see, and now it looks like it's recovering. If you're smart enough, you probably buy some Euro USD at this low point, which is around about October. And if you sat on that, that's the recovery you'll be making. But that's long-term sort of trading process. Now, most people are trading these days at a high-frequency trading platform. They're making a lot more money because of the power of what it's called leverage. Now, that's two different things. Trading and investment are two different things. I only encourage investment in my trading procedures here in my videos. But of course, it's all about you taking this moment to buy yourself some cryptos because they are down. Come on, treat yourself to some Christmas present, and I tell you what, by next year you'll be laughing to the bank if the cryptocurrency starts to rebound. But anyway, this is Stephen from My Fortune, giving you a bit of a notion here and the knowledge of understanding or maybe encouragement to get into cryptos. Now, but this particular website, Litecoin, join it. Just join it because it will help you mine some Litecoin into your bag of goodies. The more money, the more coins, you make, the more that you're going to have to prepare when this market returns up into the future. This is only for Litecoin. But of course, I've got some other apps down the bottom of this video to help you buy, say, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TRX, and also Dogecoin. And also, I humbly ask you, please register to my, subscribe to my YouTube video, like it, because there's a point in it. And if I make one of these important video in the future, you're going to get a ping on your side to say, Stephen has made another YouTube video. Would you like to go and have a look at it? And at the same time, it helps me also with my ranking with Google. If you do that for me, I'd be most appreciated. But anyway, Stephen from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. And if you don't come back to my video in the future, Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year. Bye for now.